What's up, bros? So I actually just finished watching episode 6 of Falcon and the Winter Soldier, so I decided to make two customs based off of the 6th and last episode of this amazing TV show. Now, before we take a look at the new Captain America, here we have the leader of the Flag Smashers, Karli Morgenthau. Now, this helmet idea is actually from the One True Milk God on Instagram, so shout out to him. Now, the legs of this custom minifigure are from like this miner dude from some Lego City volcano sets. This torso is from a goon from one of the Spider-Man Homecoming sets. This headpiece is actually from Black Canary from the Lego Batman movie. This helmet is from Justin Hammer, which looks a lot like the Flag Smasher helmet from the Falcon and the Winter Soldier TV show. So yeah, this custom turns out pretty good. Now let's take a look at the new Captain America. Now the legs of this custom are from Spider-Man, which is the main Spider-Man Marvel Cinematic Universe Stark suit version. The torso is the original Captain America minifigure from Age of Ultron and Civil War, with some dark blue arms with some black Sharpie on the sides and some white hands. The head is actually from Frozone, as you can see here, from The Incredibles, and the hairpiece is just this black hairpiece from a young Nick Fury, but this hairpiece comes with a lot of different minifigures. So there we have our completed Captain America minifigure. Just give him his shield, and yeah, that looks pretty good. But that's not all. I also made some new Falcon Wings for the new Captain America. Now these wings look pretty cool, basically an upgraded version of the last wings I made for Falcon. So let's get into the build tutorial. Now these are all of the pieces you're going to need to build this custom, or mock if you want to call it. You can pause the video if you want. Let's just take this piece right here. I'm going to attach two of these Technic stud pieces. We're going to attach this light blue piece right here. I'm going to attach this piece on both sides. Then we're going to attach these two pieces, which come from the Avengers Infinity War Hulkbuster set. We're going to attach two of these right there. Then we're going to attach one of these on each side. We're going to attach this white 1x2 on each side. Looking good so far. Then we're gonna attach these two pieces, which are from the Avengers Endgame Captain America bike set, on each side. We're gonna take this light blue or dark blue wing piece, which is from the 501st Battle Pack. Attach this white piece, which is from the Unikitty CMF. Attach one of these metallic studs, silver studs, and do that for the other side as well. Then we can attach it to both sides of the wings. And yeah, these wings turned out pretty good. They're really good. They have really good movability, as you can see here. Yeah, these wings turned out pretty good. Now we can take our Captain America minifigure and attach these new wings. Attach the head, and boom, this new Sam Wilson Captain America minifigure is complete. This turned out really cool, and this is one of my favorite Marvel custom minifigures that I've ever made. So yeah, really cool. I hope you bros enjoyed these customs, and tell me in the comments below if you'll be building these wings yourself, because I think these wings turned out pretty good. And also tell me your opinions in the comments below on episode 6 of Falcon and the Winter Soldier. And if you don't want spoilers, then just don't look in the comments, or just don't comment at all. And basically, have a great day. Check out my other videos. See ya, bros.